So here's how to clone my voice with AI for free. For this video, we will be using the website play.ht. And as you can see, we're already in the website. Now, on the top right, you can log in or click on Try for free. So after clicking on Try for free, you need to sign up using your credentials or sign up with Google. So choose your Google account and then click on Continue. After that, you will get to see this option. Select Individual, and after that, select Videos. Then, select the platform for which you want to create the voice. You can also choose other options if you want. Now, on this section, you can click on Clone Voice from the left. Then, click on this plus icon over here. Now select Instant. And you also have high fidelity, but for this, you will need to upgrade your plan. So, let's check out their pricing. And as you can see, they have free plan, Creator, Unlimited, and Enterprise. You can choose any of these if you want, but for now, let's go over to voice cloning and select Instant. Then select your language and click Next. Here, you can upload your audio sample or record an audio instantly. So let's select Upload Audio and then choose an audio file of your voice and upload it. Now, you need to name the voice. As an example, I will type in my voice, but you can write whatever you want. Then, just select the gender of the voice. In this case, I will go with male. You can also choose female if you want. Then agree to the terms and click on Finish. And as you can see, the voice has been cloned successfully. So here, it says cloning completed. You can click on Use or share your voice or even delete. Let's click on Use. After that, you can type in whatever you want and PlayHD will say it with your voice. So let's go ahead and type something in. I'm typing in something random, but you can type in whatever that you want. And after you're done typing it, just go ahead and click on Generate Speech on the right. Then, just give it some time to load up. Sometimes it may take a while depending on the free traffic. And as you can see, the clone is almost ready. Just click on Play and you will get to see the text being played out in your voice. And if everything checks out, you can click on the download icon beside the voice to download your audio. And that is exactly how to clone my voice with AI for free.